Here third question is given that show that the angle between the circles. So these two circle is, we have to show 3 by 4 is the angle. Okay. So the first circle is x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0. We'll get first one here. Now second one will get x square plus y square minus ax minus ay is equal to 0. We'll get second equation here. Now here see, from this first equation we will get the C1, means center of the first circle is 0 comma 0. So because there is no x and y values here, so x and y values is there, but 2gx 2a5 is not there here. Okay, so for these values we will get either 0 comma 0 and c is equal to minus a square, will get here C1 from this one, and sorry, C1 means here constant. Okay, this is constant, this is the center of the circle here. Now from this from the first circle we will get r value as r1 is equal to under root of 0 will come now, so it will become a square will come, a root will get cancelled, r1 is equal to a will get here. Now from the second equation, from here c we will get as c2, you will get as center of this one, you will get as a by 2 comma a by 2. Sir, how will we get, means here a by 2 will come, this is also a by 2 will come, so minus minus of here c to center na, minus g comma minus f no, so that's why it will become like this. Now here the constant value is there ka? Is there anything constant value is there? No, nothing is a constant value here. Here r2 is equal to under root of this one will become a square by 4 plus a square by 4 and minus there is nothing constant from this one, so that's why it will become 0. So r2 is equal to, will get as 1 by 2 into under root of 2a square no, so 2a square will get here, or else we can do one thing, so we will keep like that only, it will become r2 is equal to under root of 2a square by 4 na, so 2 1 ja 2 2 ja will get cancelled, a will come out and a into under root of 1 by 2 will come, this we can take it as. Okay, now what is the cos theta value here? Cos theta is equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square divided by 2 into r1 r2 here. So in this we have to submit the value na, so d we didn't find here, we have to find the d value also. So here c is equal to, c1 is equal to how much here, 0 comma 0, and c2 is equal to a by 2. So this will got na, c1 c2 is equal to under root of a by 2 so this will only come na, here d is equal to also same here will come a by root 2, so this only come here because this is whole square plus a by 2 whole square will come, and it will come a square plus a square divided by 4 will come, it will become 2a square something, it will become a by root 2 will come, we know already. So with this here d value also a by root 2 whole square minus r1 is equal to how much we got, a only no, so a square will come minus r2 is equal to how much we got, a by 2 means a square by root 2 whole square means, sorry here a by root 2 something I write like that directly only, 2 into r1 is equal to how much here, r1 is equal to a into r2 is equal to a by root 2. Now from this here it will become a square by 2 minus a square minus this will become a square by 2 and divided by 2a square by 2. So here this will get cancelled here, minus a square by 2a square by 2. So here this go upside and it will become here root 2 will remain na, so it will become root 2, so it will become go upside 2 root minus 2 root a square divided by 2a square, a square will get cancelled, minus 2 root divided by 2, it will be cross multiplication like this, and it will become minus 2 divided by 2 root 2, 1 to 1 will get cancelled, minus 1 by root 2 will come. So if we apply mod, it will become plus root by 3, it will become cos of 3 pi by 4 will come here. So this is cos theta is equal to 3 pi by 4 will come here. So this is the answer here. Sir, how will be 3 by 4 will become, so 1 by 2 root 1 by root 2 sir means, so 3 into 180 divided by 4 you have to do like this, and 4 4 ja 16 na 5, 4 5 ja 20, so like 345 ja how much is 135. 90 plus 135 cos of 90 plus 45 cos 90 plus theta is equal to how much? Cos 90 sin theta. Okay, sin 45 it will become. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So it will come like this. That's why total we have to take like this 3 pi by 4. Okay.